name is Menshu and welcome to FitMom. Here's another series of exercises for a diabetic person. Exercising will help you lower your blood sugar and blood pressure. It will also boost your energy and helps you sleep better. Alright, so we're going to start with your warm-up. I want you to take your feet hip distance and just start with the marches. So from here, just move your arms and move your legs. So we're going to take it easy from the bottom. I'm just going to lift heart rate first before we start with some different moves. So just keep marching, move your arms and move your legs. Lift your chest and breathe in and breathe out. Stay here. Just lift your feet a little bit higher. So lift your knees a little bit higher as well. Alright, so take your feet wide. Bring the arms up, out and in. Out and in. So open your chest wide. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Good mobility in the shoulders, upper back, and also the front. Out and in. Out and in. Creating more space to your lungs. Open to the chest. Squeeze to the back. Belly in. Keep moving the arms. Open wide. Raise the abs. Out and in. Out and in. Give me a couple of more. Out and in. So starting to get your muscles warm, your arms and your upper body. Alright, so from here, keep your feet wide, reach up, left, side, over, up, up. So reaching the diagonal towards the ceiling. Working on the flexion of your shoulders, reach up high. Lift one heel so you can reach longer. Or if you want, you can add a little squat. Down, up, down, up. Reach and drop. Lift and drop. Bend the knees. Squeeze the butt whenever you stand. Reach up, up, up. A little more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reach side to side. Bend one knee. Keep your feet wide. Set the butt back. Reach the ground or reach towards your toes. You can bring one arm to your thigh to support your body. Out, out, in. Shifting your weight from side to side, give your upper body some rotation. Touch to the ground or to your toes. Breathe. Stay here. Push the butt back. Keep your chest lifted. Breathe in and breathe out. I can start to feel it on my legs. Out. Hold. Stay to the bottom. Bend your knees. Lift your chest. Bring your arms down. Just as far as you can reach. Down. And then arms towards the floor. Turn your knees out and your toes out as you squat. And then push your tailbone up as you reach to the ground. So we take it slow. Same thing, working on the legs. Hamstrings, your quads. And in. Again, back muscles on your legs. If you need option, you can hold your shin or your ankle. Take your feet together. Hold. Lift the arms. Reach. Out. Out. Lengthen the side of your body. Clasp your hands together. We're going to reach longer. Take it slow if you need it. Center. Side. Center and side. Lengthen the side of your body. Lengthen the spine. Breathe. One more time. Hold here. Bring the arms to the back. Take your feet shoulder width apart. Lift your chest. Clasp your hands behind you. Breathe. Allow yourself to recover. Okay, shake it out. Relax your legs. Relax the arms. Now from here, I want you to take your feet a little bit wider than your shoulder. Same thing when we do some squat position. Now from here, I want you to reach one arm towards the floor, one arm to the side. Stand up, one arm out, and then stand. Take it slow. Sit the butt back, and then lift up as you stand. One arm to the floor, one arm to the side. So it will give you or challenge your coordination. And then lift. Slow squat, and then slow stand. Down, and then up. Can we make it a little bit faster? A little bit faster on the tempo. Down, up, down, up. Push, lift the chest, reach the ground. Bend the knees. Soften the knees. Eyes forward. Now if you can, stay and then slow up. Hold and then slow up. Down and then up. Use the muscles on your legs and also the muscles on the mid part of your body. Your abs. Lift. Some more. Down. Lift. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Shake it out. Relax. Shake it out for a while. Allow yourself to recover. Allow your legs to recover. So from here, take your feet wide. We're going to bring the arms out. And then from here, we're going to reach towards the side. Straight the arms. Reaching from corner to corner. Or all the way to the side. So you pivot on your toes. You keep your heels lifted. Out. Out. Breathe. Same thing, gives you mobility and create more space on your upper body. Easier to breathe. Stay on the side. Hold. Reach. Reach. Stay here. Bend the front leg and keep the back lifted. 4, 3, switch. Reach. Reach. Reach longer. Back it up. We're going to do it again for the other side. Out. Reach. Reach. Take your weight on the center. Switch. Out. Reach. Belly in. Okay. Shake it out. Hold it. Roll the shoulders back. Roll the shoulders forward. You can stretch the legs anytime you need it for you to recover. And anytime you're ready, come back again to the exercise. Okay? So from here, I want you to take your feet hip distance and then turn your body on one side. Lift one heel and then from here, slowly come into a lunge position. Right, hold, we take it slow, then knee, and then slow up. Release forward, slow down, and then slow up. Remember, if you need option, you can bring your hands to your thighs whenever you go down. Okay, go next to 90. Watch out. We add 1, 2, and 3. Stand on the floor. 1, 2, and hold. Same thing. Stay at the bottom, and then stand on the third count. One more. 1, 2, hold. Let's switch. Again, take your feet hip distance, lift the chest, back heel up. So we slow down on the lunge, and then we slow go up. Again, down, and then up. Eyes in front, tailbone under, lift your chest, long spine. Couple of more. Breathe. Down, and then up. 2 more. Last one. Up. 2 to the bottom. 1. And then hold. Same thing. Down, 4 to at the bottom. And then 1 stand. Bend the knees. And then 1 more time. Up. Okay, shake it out. Relax. Same thing, stretch the legs, stretch the quads, or hamstrings if you need it. Remember, you can always recover from time to time. Breathe. Push your butt back, toes up, stretch the hamstring. Check it out. Okay, next, now we're gonna go to the floor. I want you to sit your butt down and then bend your knees with your feet just in line with your hips. Now first, I want you to lengthen your spine. From here, we're gonna start first by bringing the hands up and then in. Lift and then in. Up. So remember to keep your spine long, reaching to the ceiling, and bringing your arms just in line with your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Up and then down. Lift up and then down. Couple more. Last 2. Last one. Hold. Stay here. Out and in. Elbows out. Out and in. So keep your elbow in line with your chest, not above your shoulder. Out, in. Eyes in front. Show the belly in. Breathe in and breathe out. So this is good for toning your arms, and also will help you working on your upper body strength. Breathe. Okay, one more. Next move. Watch. 3, 2, 1, center. 3, 2, 1, center. 3, 2, again. So even if you're working on your arms, make sure you also engage the muscles on your quads to keep your upper body still. Belly in. 3, 2, 1 more. Okay, release. Check it out. Relax. Okay, from here, keep your legs straight, come into your long sitting position. So if it's too much, if you need option, you can bend your knees a little bit, keep your toes up. Okay, so from here, I want you to bring the arms in front and then reach forward. Lift, come forward. Remember, if you can, keep the legs straight and reach towards your toes. In. So take it slow. If it's too much on your shoulders and your arms, you can stay here. Reach forward and then step up. Again. Forward and then step up. Take your time. Now stay here, hold. Take your feet a little bit wide. Again, if you need option, you can bend your knees a little bit, toes up. Keep your legs straight if you can to lengthen the inner thighs. So from here, arms out, reach and lift, reach and lift, out and up, out and up, reach, lift, breathe. Out and in. 2 counts. 1, 2, hold to the center. 1, 2, hold and lengthen. 1, 2, out. 1 more. Hold, breathe. Bring the arms down. Take your feet together, soles of your feet together. Relax your legs, relax your upper body. So from here, bring your arms behind and open your chest. Breathe. We're almost done. Okay, stand up. Come back to your standing position. Take your feet to distance. Bring the arms to your knee or your shin. Make a flat back extend. Breathe. Arms out. Okay, bring the arms to your thighs. Step 1 foot to the back. Bring 1 arm to the floor. Knees off the ground. And then twist your upper body towards the side. Lift up to the chest. Switch. Stand up. Arm to your knees or your shin if you need it. Breathe. Arms down and then step back. Lift the chest. And then twist. Arms over. And then arms down. Whew. Shake it out. Roll up. Breathe. Roll the shoulders back and roll the shoulders forward. Well done. So that's your 20 minutes workout that you can do anytime at your home, especially for those who have diabetes. See you again next time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can also check us out on our Facebook page, FitMab PH, and also our Instagram page, FitMab_PH. See ya!